welcome everyone. Hello everyone, and have a good day, or hoping you're having a good day. And today is another day and another tutorial for you guys. And today I am going to show you guys how to do a half double crochet. I have done my single crochet, so now I'm going to show you guys how to do the half double crochet. So this is our tutorial for beginners with the crochet stitching. Okay, so every project we are going to start from our slip knot. Okay, so just wrap there and insert, and then pull your yarn. Okay guys, so from here we are going to chain. So with our chain is we yarn over, wrap our yarn, okay, yarn over and then pull through the loop, then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So that is our chain, which is, I do have a tutorial for that as well guys, if you need to learn. Okay, so this one is good as well, but if you need a little bit more slower, I have a tutorial, and please check out my playlist for absolute beginners or beginners tutorial, so I will put it there. And then from here, if we're going to do our half double crochet, okay, we skip this one always, we skip this, we don't count that. Okay, and we yarn over, okay, and then we go to the next stitch and we insert our hook, and then yarn over, and then we pull our loop, and we have 3 loops in our hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, so that is our half double crochet. Okay, so let's do that again. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, which is this one, okay, and then yarn over and then pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, and yarn over and pull through all 3. So that is our half double crochet. Okay, let's do that again. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that is how it looks like. So we are going to continue that. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, jump into the next loop or next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so yarn over, next yarn over, pull up a loop, so 3 loops, yarn over, and then pull through all 3. So this is how it looks like guys. So this is our half double crochet. Okay, so we continue that one. Okay, so yarn over, insert in the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through all three, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all three, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all three. So one thing, guys, that I'm going to share with you is, if you're working, don't make your chain tight, or else you will be struggling. Okay, so I'm going to show you if I'm going to do it tight. Okay, so insert and then pull up a loop and then yarn over and then pull through, so you will be struggling. So that is how it looks like. Okay, if your chain is tight, so you see the difference with the tight chain and the loose chain. It looks better. Okay, so this one you struggle. Okay, so just have a little bit of the gap, not too loose. Okay, so it's just easier for you to work on your project. Okay, so just like that, wrap, okay, and then insert and then yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so as you can see, it's easy to slide, and yarn over and then pull through all 3. Okay, so it will be still the same. It's just when it's tight, you will be struggling. So as you can see there, this 2 is tight compared to these ones here. Okay, so hopefully, guys, you got this tutorial. Okay, and when I'm going to show you guys, we will finish this one, and I'm going to show you on the next row how you work on the next row with the half double crochet. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, pull all through. And then from here, so if you're doing a half double crochet, you chain 1 and then turn your work. So from here is from the space, the chain 1 space here. As you can see, this we are going to work on. You wrap your yarn, okay, yarn over and then insert. Okay, so then we're going to work on the back loop and the front loop. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop, so 3, yarn over, pull through all 3. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. Okay, so you have to make sure, guys, that the last chain, you are taking the last chain, so you will have a straight line. You can count as well to make sure that it is straight, you're not going anywhere. Okay, so with this one here, okay, so you are going to finish in this chain here. Okay, so this is our last chain. Okay, so hopefully, guys, this is you learn from this video, and thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. And if you do like this video and help you, please hit that like button And if you want, you can subscribe into my channel and press that notification bell, so you get notified every time I will post a new video. Thanks guys, and have a lovely day everyone. Bye.